Cute! Amazing! Blue eyeshadow to the Barbie. Wonderful! Let's make the kitty mirror with white clay. Adding the round mirror and make eyes of kitty with the black. Cute! Cute yellow bow and handle of the mirror. Beautiful, isn't it? Our cute Hello Kitty mirror is ready. Now let's make a pink comb for the Barbie. Awesome! Amazing! Now we will make a hair straightener with pink and black color. Adding metal plates to the hair straightener. Cute! Adding buttons and wire to the hair straightener. Wonderful! Amazing! Our hair straightener is ready! Let's come and straighten the hairs of the beautiful Barbie! Now we will make a pink makeup kit for the Barbie! Adding colorful shades to it with cute color clay. Now attaching the mirror to the makeup kit. Wonderful! Beautiful, isn't it? Let's do the makeup of the Barbie. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it.